Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the AC condenser fan on Opel Tigra 1.4 petrol. The AC condenser fan is located on the front of the AC condenser. It's located right there. In order to get access to it, we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, there is a couple of bolts holding it. This is the bumper. There is a bolt right there holding it. There might be some bolts on the wheel arch liner holding it as well. On the other side is the same. One bolt right there, maybe some bolts on the wheel arch liner, and maybe if you have engine under tray, some bolts underneath. I've already removed it and I'm going to show you how to remove the bumper. Now I have access to the AC condenser fan. First we need to remove the 3 bolts holding the cover of the AC condenser fan. I showed you where they are. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Once I remove the 3 bolts, I'll be able to take out the cover for the AC condenser fan, and then the AC condenser fan is held by 3 nuts, which I'll show you where they are now. The 3 nuts on the AC condenser fan are located behind the fan. In order to get access to them, we need to move it, and we'll see where the 3 nuts are. One of them is here on the right side. It's located right there. I'll show you a closer view of it. Now I'll move it again, and that's one of the nuts right there, and there is 2 other nuts on the other side and then on top. One of them is right there. I've already removed the nut, and there is another one here on this side which I've already removed as well. Now there's only one nut left to remove, and I'll be able to take out the AC condenser fan. Once I remove that nut, I'm taking out the AC condenser fan, but I also need to disconnect the electrical connector for that fan. I'll show you where it is located right now. The AC condenser fan electrical connector is located right there, so we need to push up that tab and then pull out the connector. In my case it's a little bit stuck, so I'm going to be using a screwdriver just to pull it up and then pull out the connector. And that's the electrical connector out. Now I can take out the AC condenser fan. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.